Well, your boy Domino 7 definitely enjoyed season 40 of Wheel of Fortune. Okay. I mean, today, on the very first episode of season 40, we had Adriana, Robin, and Rakeem. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name wrong or what. If I am, correct me. Okay. If they upload the episode on YouTube, then I'll see. Okay. So anyway, congratulations, Adriana. Okay, yes indeed, you one of my favorite contestants. Okay, I was definitely supporting you. I mean, I clapped for you, so I'm clapping for you again. So here we are, a round of applause. All right, give me a round of applause, Adriana. You won big on Wheel of Fortune. On that final puzzle on the bonus round, I wasn't sure if you was gonna get it or not. You chose the category phrase. Okay, yeah, phrase that was a good phrase right there. Okay, yes indeed, I enjoyed it. Did you viewers at home enjoy Wheel of Fortune today? Like y'all enjoyed Jeopardy? I hope y'all did. Okay, I mean to me, I guess the Wheel of Fortune will go on and on and on and on. Jeopardy too will go on and on and on. Like the Price is Right will go on and on and on. Okay. Yes, indeed. Three longest running game shows. Yes, indeed, Adriana. Congratulations. Okay. Congratulations on your winnings. Congratulations on everything. Okay. I'm a Wheel of Fortune fan as well. I love watching Wheel of Fortune. I mean, lately them contestants been getting that wheel all the way around, spinning that wheel all the way around. It's not the Price is Right though. Well, that's the only wheel you don't have to get all the way around. But on the Price is Right, you got to get the wheel all the way around. So next week gonna be season 51 of Price is Right. I was about to say Wheel of Fortune. All right. So eventually we'll see season 45 of Wheel of Fortune. Okay. And season 50 of Wheel of Fortune. And season 50 of Jeopardy. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 show. And thank y'all for watching Wheel of Fortune, season 40. All right. All right. Peace out.